Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Global, where we share some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Chicken lollipops, one of the most popular Indo-Chinese starters loved in restaurants and parties. Crispy on the outside, juicy and flavorful on the inside, and full of that classic spicy tangy taste that pairs perfectly with Schezwan or any hot dipping sauce. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step by step recipe for chicken lollipops made completely from scratch, including how to shape the wings into perfect lollipops, how to make a flavorful homemade marinade, and how to get that restaurant style crispy, juicy, and full of flavor chicken lollipops every single time. This recipe uses simple everyday ingredients, has no artificial colors, and is prepared in a way that suits Indian taste buds while still keeping that authentic Indo-Chinese flavor. So let's get cooking and prepare this global favorite, delicious chicken lollipops. Step 1. Preparing the chicken wings. We have taken 500 grams of whole chicken wings. Take a chicken wing and cut it into 3 parts at the joints. You'll get a drummet, a winglet, and a wingtip. Keep the drummets, winglets, and discard the wingtip, or you can use them while making soup. Similarly, cut the remaining chicken wings. Drummet is the upper meaty part of the wing which has only one bone. Cut the drummet along the circumference of the thin end so that the bone and the meat are disconnected. Push the meat down towards the thicker end of the bone.
Subscribe to Get Cooking Global for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Press the bell icon so that you're instantly notified when we upload a new recipe.
Our drummet becomes a lollipop. Winglet is the middle, two-bone part of the wing. Cut the winglet slightly at both ends. Separate the bones and then carefully disconnect the meat from the bone. Pull out the thinner bone. Cut the winglet along the circumference of the thin end so that the bone and the meat are disconnected. Push the meat down towards the thicker end of the bone. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Our winglet becomes a lollipop. Do the same with the others. Chicken lollipops are ready to be marinated. Keep them in the refrigerator until the marinade is ready. Step 2. Marinating the chicken wings. Take 6 Kashmiri red chilies. Break it into smaller pieces. Soak the Kashmiri red chilies in warm water for around 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the extra water from the chilies which will not be used for grinding. Add the soaked Kashmiri red chilies along with the water into the mixer grinder. Grind to a smooth paste. Red chili paste is ready. Take 1-inch piece of ginger and cut it into small pieces. Take 12 medium-sized cloves of garlic and cut them into small pieces. Take 1 medium-sized green chili and cut it into small pieces. In a mixer grinder, add the garlic, ginger and green chili pieces. Add 2 tablespoons of water. Grind to a smooth paste. Our ginger garlic green chili paste is ready. In a mixing bowl, add 1 tablespoon of our prepared red chili paste. 1 tablespoon of our ginger garlic green chili paste, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything properly. Place the chicken lollipops in the marinade and stir it nicely. Ensure all the chicken lollipops are completely coated with the marinade. Cover and keep aside for at least an hour. Marinated chicken lollipops are ready. If you are keeping them for more than an hour, then it's better to keep it in the refrigerator. Step 3. Preparing the batter. In a mixing bowl, add 6 tablespoons of corn flour. Also add 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida. Add 1 tablespoon of rice flour. 2 tablespoons of our prepared red chili paste. 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. 2 tablespoons of our ginger garlic green chili paste. 1 teaspoon of vinegar. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. 1/2 teaspoon of 5-spice powder. Press the drop-down link above for the recipe to prepare 5-spice powder. This link is also provided in the description box. Also add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 egg, 1/4 cup or 60 ml of water. Mix everything nicely. Kashmiri red chilies are less spicy but give a good color. Red food color can also be used to get a brighter color if you want. We added 2 more tablespoons of water to get the right consistency of the batter. Do not add too much water, otherwise the batter will become watery and you will not be able to coat the lollipops properly. Mix the batter properly and ensure that there are no lumps. Check the consistency of the batter. It should not be too thick nor too thin. Our batter is ready. Step 4. Frying the chicken lollipops. On medium-low heat in an open, thick-bottom pan, add cooking oil for deep frying. Take 1 chicken lollipop at a time. Dip it in the batter and coat it well. Once the oil is hot, add the coated chicken lollipops one at a time. Fry for around 5 to 7 minutes until they are cooked to light golden color. Only fry few lollipops at a time. Do not overcrowd the pan, otherwise the temperature of the oil will fall down. Remove them after 5 to 7 minutes once they are cooked. Place the chicken lollipops on paper napkins to soak the excess oil. Now fry the remaining chicken lollipops. Once all are fried, we will fry the chicken lollipops a second time. Now increase the heat to medium-high. In the heated oil, start adding the chicken lollipops that were fried first. Fry the chicken lollipops only for a minute on medium-high heat. Once done, remove and place the chicken lollipops on paper napkins to soak the excess oil. Delicious chicken lollipops are ready. Serve the chicken lollipops hot with Schezwan sauce. Do watch out for our Schezwan sauce recipe which will be coming out next. Do post a comment and give us your feedback on this recipe. Your comments keep us motivated and excited to do more such interesting recipes. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Share this video with your friends and family, and do subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.